Hello, welcome back to Pravyav Now. This is Pranav, and after a long time, I'm back with a recipe video. Almost a year ago, I had made this recipe video on India's version of American Chop Suey. In this video, I'm going to make the New England's version of American Chop Suey. Now, New England is not in the UK, it is a region in the United States, the eastern part of the region, which were originally the 13 colonies of the British Empire. This American Chop Suey was invented in this part of the United States. It is also known as American Goulash in the rest of the US, but this American Chop Suey, unlike the ones which we have in India, it's not a noodle-based chop suey. It's actually a pasta. So let's get into it. Now the word chop suey comes from the Chinese word Chopsuey, which can mean a food created with leftovers. So in a way, it's something which you create using whatever you have. Chopsuey, which became chop suey, was originally a Chinese American cuisine, but as it got little Italian influence, so a version of it became American Chop Suey, where you add pasta instead of noodles, and the main ingredient, tomatoes and tomato ketchup. Before I start with the cooking, I fried capsicum separately because I don't like it getting overcooked and turned bitter. Unlike the original preparation, I prefer adding it later to the mix. Take a hollow pan or a wok and fry chopped onions. Then add chopped garlic. Then add any meat of your choice. Usually minced meat is added, so use keema if you can. I added Moroccan lamb sausages because that's what I had. And hey, it is chop suey, use what you have. Unlike keema, these sausages don't require time to get cooked. After cooking the meat, add tomato puree and tomato sauce or ketchup, your choice. Add a little salt and sugar. Add chili flakes, Italian seasonings like oregano and other herbs. Add black pepper powder. You can add them as per your Indian taste buds. Next comes Worcestershire sauce, but as it's an Indian household, soy sauce should be fine. Interestingly, Worcestershire sauce was invented in India but was never used here. It got popularized in the town of Worcestershire, which gave the sauce its name. Meanwhile, boil your pasta as usual, preferably macaroni. Add the fried capsicum to the mix. Then finally add the al dente cooked pasta to it. Mix well. Don't go by its color. It is ready. Wow, it was my first attempt and it turned out to be really good. It was spicy, tangy, sweet, and the flavor of sausages, lamb sausages, actually blended well with the sauce, and yeah, it was delicious. Give it a try and let me know in the comments. And also, if you have missed my other recipe video on the American Chop Suey that we have here in India, check out the link at the end of the videos, and stay tuned to Pravyav Now for more videos on food, history, mythology, fiction, and everything related to culture. This is Pranav signing off. Tada!